Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to add product categories to WooCommerce site. So simply in order to do this, just I want to add a new category. So simply just go to plugins, and after that what you need to do, you have to install this plugin. So simply just search for this plugin, and after that you have to activate this plugin. Now my plugin is already activated. So simply here you can see my products plugin is activated. So simply go to products, and after that go to categories, and now here you can see I want to add a new category, like I want to add the TV products. So simply just type the TV products, or what kind of product category do you want to name there. After that here the select the your friendly version of name. So here you can type the random name, and here you can add the description, and here you can also upload image or select any image. After that click on use image, and now after this, when you successfully added this category, simply now if you want to add a new category, simply just click on add new category, and so now here you can also add new category here. So in this way you can add multiple categories to products in WooCommerce. So simply now we will go to categories, and simply here you can see our category is added. So in this way you can easily add products categories in WooCommerce.